Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to bulk create API keys on Bitget. Now let us begin. Well, denote that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. We have also created a tutorial regarding how to log in and all the other issues that you might face. So you guys can look at that as well. Now let's simply look at how to bulk create APIs. At the top right, you can see your profile picture icon right here. Simply click on it. Well, once you do, these things will open up. And right here, you can see something called as API keys. Click on this button there, and you will be redirected to a new page. Well, as you can see, I have already created an API key. Now I want to bulk create one. Right here next to create API key, you will see the bulk create button. Click on it. And as such, it's gonna ask you the key type. It can be either system generated or user generated. Simply select whatever you wish. For me, it is the first one, so I'm gonna click on it. And that is it. Once you do, all you guys need to do is fill out these details right here. I'm gonna fill out all of them. Well guys, as you can see, I have filled out almost everything. Now in order to create bulk APIs, simply scroll down, click on this Add API button right here, and just fill out all these details once again. I'm gonna fill it once again right now. Well, as you can see, I have filled out all the details for my API 1 and API 2. Once you've done that, simply hit on the create button at the top right. And that is it. Simply put the verification code right here for your email and the authenticator one, and simply hit on confirm. I'm gonna do it right now. Well, as you can see, I have entered the code, so I'm simply gonna hit on confirm. And guys, that is it. The API keys have been generated. That's the gist of it, guys. That's how we bulk create API in Bitget. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.